it be? You can arrest everybody, but that cruel Stag O Lee, he's a bad man. That cruel Stag O Lee. Billy Lyons told Stag O Lee, please don't take my life. I got 2 little babies. I got a darling, loving wife. He's a bad man. That cruel Stag O Lee. What I care about 2 little babies and a darling, loving wife. You just stole my Stetson hat. I'm gonna take your life. He's a bad man. That cruel Stag O Lee. Boom, 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 boom. Withers 44. Pop Willie's cry. Billy Lyons, he's lying down on the floor. He's a bad man. That cruel Stag O Lee. Gentlemen of the jury, what you think of that? Stag O Lee killed Billy Lyons, about a $10 hat. He's a bad man. That cruel Stag O Lee. His head way up high. At 12 o'clock they killed him. They was all glad to see him die. He's a bad man.